girlfriends and other friends, makeup friends, beauty friends. It's Gabrielle Ishell, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing the new Fenty Eaze, or Eaze, however you pronounce it. I just received it yesterday and the packaging is very consistent with other Fenty beauty products. It is called the Eaze Drop Skin Tint. It's in a 32 milliliter size. On the back it says light to medium coverage for all skin tones, blends and blurs to instant perfection, and it's light as air. So I'm really excited to try this out because it's starting to get warmer outside and you don't want to have that heavy foundation on. Although I do use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 370. This is actually a new one that I just bought. Never opened it, but I use the color 370. On her Instagram page she left like a little comparison. If you use the foundation in this color, you should try this color. So I used the 370 foundation, so I got the number 16 in the Eaze Drops. There we go, 16. So I am trying out number 16. Let's zoom this out a little bit. And so excited. So let's open it. Of course, the train. Of course, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a train right there. Of course, this is sealed properly. I'm gonna use my scissors to open it. Okay. Packaging is really pretty. Very pretty. I don't know what kind of shape. It looks sort of like a diamond. Very light. I have my Fenty Beauty foundation brush, and I also bought the Fenty Beauty Precision Makeup Sponge. So if the brush doesn't work, I use this for my Fenty Beauty foundation. If that doesn't work, I'll use the sponge. Let's go ahead and open the sponge so we can see that too. And it looks sort of like a beauty blender, except it's flat on one side. So it like goes out like that, but then it's flat on this side. This is here just in case, but we're going to start with the brush here. So let's open this, and it's just a twist to open, and this is what the bottle looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it straight to my face because I feel like putting it on your hand is like wasting sometimes. And I have this white cream sweater on, so. So we're just going to, of course, I got it on my sweater. I just said that. We're just going to bring it down, and remember it's a light to medium coverage. This actually goes on really well, and it does feel very light. I usually use my mirror to put on foundation and stuff, so this is very different, putting it on in front of the camera, like literally in front of the camera. So when I first put it on, it looks like really light for my skin. So I don't know if it's just like the lighting that I have here. I like it. It feels very lightweight, like you cannot feel it on your face. I like that so far. And it did cover up my little blemishes that I have on this side, so it's heavy enough to cover that up, and I do like that as well because you want to get, if you're wearing makeup, you want to cover the little imperfections on your face anyway, so I like that. And then I had a pimple up here. It also covered that up, so you can't see the redness in that. I do like that. Okay, so first impressions, forgot to put on a primer, so we're still gonna see how long it can last throughout the day with just the makeup on, I guess, because silly old me forgot the daggone primer. I bought the Light as Air Setting Photo Soft Finish for All. So we're just going to put this on top to set it. And I got the color Honey. Really pretty packaging as always. And of course you can see my little camera in the back because it's a mirror. So let's test this out as well. Here we have an FB for Fenty Beauty. And it has that little seal on it, so there's no loose powder flying everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And I've also bought I bought the, what is this called? The Powder Puff Setting Brush. So this is to set the powders. It's number 170 if you're going by brush numbers. Comes in this, and this is my second brush. I did use the foundation brush, and this is number 110. Tap the brush in here to pick up some powder. And oh, it feels so good. Okay, so I got the powder on, and I love, I literally can't feel anything on my face. So I'm loving these products so far. And then I bought more stuff, you know. I also bought the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the color Rose Latte or Rose Latte. And I've never used a cream blush before, so honestly don't even know how to apply it. I don't know if I should use a regular blush brush or my fingers, but I think I'm gonna use my fingers just to get it on a little bit. But this is what it looks like. This looks like the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, the highlighter. So, except for it says cream. Same size, very cute packaging as always. And this is the color Rose Latte. And I really don't know. Ooh, it feels sort of like a lipstick. So I put a little bit on my finger. I'm just going to dab it in on the apples of my cheek. Oh yeah, a little goes a long way with this. So that looks good. And then we have, oh, I got this for Christmas. I've never opened it. It is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette, and it's called 4 Rose, or number 4, but the palette is called Rose. Same really pretty packaging as the number 4, and these are the colors that are in it. You can't really see this one. It's a really light pink. Oh, there you go. I'm not really a eyeshadow person. Ooh, they're so pretty. This is what they look like. And of course it has the little plastic stuff over top of it to protect it from fallout. So I'm going in with the Stunt Queen and the Sugar Shock. So using this Sugar Shock on the eyelid, I'm going to attempt So I think you can definitely tell the difference, that there is something on my face. It's not in your face like a foundation. It's not full coverage, obviously. It is a light to medium coverage, and I would say it's a medium coverage, at least for me. I only apply one layer of it on my skin, and I actually like it. Like I said, you can barely see this little blemish here that I have going on, and then I have a pimple up here. I think it looks good. And then I'm going to do my brows really quick. So I like it. My face looks really good for this just to be a tinted moisturizer or a CC cream, beauty cream, one of those. I forgot to go in with the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow, and this is the color Gloss Bomb. This is a little mini one. I got this with the highlighter in a little duo, and goes for a very neutral girly glam look. So full face of Fenty. Basically, I just used the Charlotte Tilbury push-up lashes and the setting spray, but everything else was Fenty Beauty, and these were all new products. So I love Rihanna. I love Rihanna. She keeps blessing us with so many products. You got the Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, you got the lingerie. I've never tried that before, but Rihanna, thank you for blessing us. Look at my face. This looks good for a light to medium coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation like this foundation here. This is a freaking CC cream. It's called, let's be technically correct, it is called an Eaze Drop. And look at this. My face looks good. I'm gonna have to do a before and after picture, or a before, after, and then with the full coverage foundation on, so you can see the difference and what my face looks like with each one. But I like this. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this in the summer if I want some type of makeup on my skin. I don't want to fill it. I don't want it to weigh, I don't want it to be heavy and weigh my face down and be cakey, although her foundation is not any of that, but other foundations can be, and especially in the summertime where it's warm outside, your foundation is going to melt off your skin. I feel like this won't, because I don't even feel it on my face. Like, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Rihanna. Oh my god, I love this. I'm definitely going to be reusing this, like I said, especially in the summertime, or if I'm just going out for a quick whatever and I just want to throw on a little bit something. I want me to look a little bit presentable, but not glam like that. This is it. This is it. Oh my god, I love Rihanna. Don't you guys love Rihanna? We gotta take a moment of silence for Rihanna, because she is blessing us. She is the queen. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and review / demo of the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop, along with my other new Fenty Beauty products. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and I'm definitely reaching for all these again. Rihanna has done it again. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye. Oh, I forgot, we are doing a wear test. So right now it's 12:56 p.m. So I'm gonna come back in 8 or so hours to see how it looks, how long the foundation or the Eaze Drop lasts, and that will be the final part of the video. So I'm back at 10 p.m. that night, and it looks like the skin tint looks pretty good on my skin, minus the under eye area, which is kind of expected because it's been a long day and I'm just tired. So let me know in the comments below what you think, if it looks good or bad after wearing it for 10 hours.